Now we are discussing the developing AI agents, artificial intelligence, developing the AI agents. So first we are discussing the intelligent agents, intelligent agents. In artificial intelligence, what is the intelligent agent? Totally, we are discussing what is the outline of the agents, agents and environment, rationality, intelligence agent, performance measure, environment, actuators and sensor, environment type, agent type. This is the totally outline of the uh, developing AI agents. Once again, see the total outline of the developing agent, agent and environment, rationality, intelligent agent is performance measure, environment actuators, sensors, environment type, agent type. This is the total outline of the developing AI agents. Next, what is the agent in artificial intelligence? What is the agent? An agent is anything. An agent is anything that can be viewed as a perceiving. Is it is an environment through the sensor and acting upon that environment through the actuators. An agent is anything that can be viewed as a perceiving. Is it this environment through the sensor acting upon the environment through the activators? That is an agent in the artificial intelligence. An agent is anything can be viewed as a perceiving environment through the sensor and acting upon the environment through the activators. Next one. Operates an environment, perceive its environment through the sensor, acts upon its environment through the actuators, effectors, as goals. As goals. Next one. Uh, what is the working process, the agent between the agent and environment? How to working process? Say this architecture. Here is the environment. This is the agent process. Agent, environment. Next master. This is the working process between the environment agent. The agent function maps from the percipient hysteresis to the action. Hysteresis to the action. This is action process. This is percipient. This is agent process, environment. Now, what is the function? Function of the page has the A. Next, agent program runs on the physical architectures. Agent program runs on the physical architecture that to produce function. Agent is equal to architecture plus program. Here the agent is equal to architecture plus program. This is a working process between the agent environment. Sensor and effectors. So see the sensor and effectors. An agent perceives its environment through the sensor. An agent its environment through the sensors perceives its environment through the sensor. The complete set of input at a given time is called percipient. What is the percipient? Percipient. Next one, the complete set of input at a given time is called percipient. The current percipient or sequence of percipient can be influenced the action of agent. The current percipient or the sequence of percipient can influence the action of the agent. It can change the environment through the actuators or effectors. It can change the environment through the actuators effectors. An operation involving an actuator is called an action. That means is an operation involving an actuator is called an action, and an action can be ignored in the action sequence. Here the action can be ignored in the action sequence. That is a sensor and effectors. Next, what is the example of the agent here? The humans, programs, robotics. Here the example of the humans, programs, robots. Humans means what is the senses? What is a program? Sense of the keyboard, programs, robot. Here the senses keyboard, mouse, dataset. Robots means the cameras, pads. Body parts in human is a sense body parts, programs, monitor, speaker, files, robots, motor, lips. This is an example of the agent process. Next. Example enhancement process. Uh, Human agent. What is a human agent? In human agent, now see the eyes, ears, and other organ sensors. Other organ sensors means the hands, legs, mouth, and other body parts for the activators. This is the human agent. This is the human agent. Next one. What is the robotic agent? Cameras and informed range finders for the sensor. Robotic means the agent cameras and informed range finders for a sensor. These are various motors, wheels, and the speaker for the activators. These are robotic agents. This is the robotic agent. Next one, software agent. Next one is a software agent. A software agent is a function that means input. Is a function that means the input. As a sensor, a function actuator is the output screen. There is a function as a actuator output to the screen. This is the example of the agent. What is the human agent, robotic agent, software agent? This is the software agent. Now the best example is the vacuum cleaner valve. Is the best example vacuum cleaner valve. Is a perceived location and content example that the an action is left and what is a moving process left, right, shut and now. This is the vacuum cleaner example. Is the vacuum cleaner agent is a clean. For example, if statement that the cleaner. What is the right function? This is an example. What is the rationality here down? What is the rationality? Fixed performance measure evaluate the environment sequence. Rationality is the fixed performance measure. Evaluate the environment sequence. That is the rationality. For example, take the 1 point for the spike clean the up to the time, but it's time t. 1 point for the clean square per time step minus for the move. Penalize for k, that is rational agent chosen whichever action maximize the expected value of the performance measure given the first one data. Rational at equal to the instant. This is the rationality. That is what is the rationality at any given time depends on the four things. Here the first, what is the rationality at any given time depend on the four things. First one, what is that? The performance measure that defines the criterion of success. Performance measure that defines the criterions of the success. Next, agent prior knowledge of the environment. The agent's prior knowledge of the environment. The action that the agent can perform. The action that the agent can perform. Next, the agent pursuant the sequence to the date. Agents pursuant the sequence to the date. Next one, rational agent. Rational agent. A rational agent is one that does the right thing. For each possible pursued sequence, rational agent should select an action that is expected to maximize its performance measure. Is a rational agent is one that does the right thing. For each possible pursued sequence, rational agent should select an action that is expected to maximize the performance measure calculations. And given the evidence provided by the pursued sequence and whatever the built-in knowledge that is added as. So evidence provided by the pursued sequence and whatever the built-in knowledge, whatever the built-in knowledge that agent has, agent is the pursued sequence in the complete history of the everything. An ascent version sequence is the complete history of the everything. Ascent has every version. That is a rational ascent. That is the rational ascent. Next, rational ascent is a distinct from the omniscience, that all the knowing with the infinite knowledge. Rationally distinct from the omniscience, all the knowing with infinite knowledge. Agent can perform the action in order to modify future prospect, they have to obtain useful information from the information gathering exploration. Information gathering and exploration. This is a rational agents. These are rational agents. And next one. Autonomy agent in the artificialness. The autonomy agent of agent is the extent to which its behavior is determined by its own experience, with the ability to learn and adapt. The ability to learn and adapt. Now, stems and automatically ignore the environment. Complete autonomous must act random. See the example, ideal design agent to have some autonomy, possibly could become the more autonomous in time. This is the autonomy essence. This is the autonomy essence. Next one. Intelligent agent must to, this intelligence must sense, must act, must autonomous to some extent, must rational. This is the intelligent agent. Must sense, must act, must autonomous, and some to extent, must rational. And next one, peace. PEAS. P for performance measure, E for environment, A for activators, S for sensors. What is the description of the piece? Next one. Must first specify the setting for intelligent agent decision. Must first specify the setting for intelligent agent design. Here the consider the task of designing an automated taxi driver. So for example, taking the task of designing and designation automated the taxi driver. Take the example. What is the next one? Performance measure and environment. See the performance measure, environment, activators. Next one is the sensor. The most important is the designation. The designation of the automated the taxi driver. What is the performance measure, environment, activator, sensor? See this example. The task of designing automated taxi driver. What is the performance measure? Safe. First is the task driver is safe and fast. Safe, fast, legal, comfortable trip, maximize the profit. See the last one is maximize the profit. This is our performance measure in the taxi driver tasking. And next, what is the environment? Roads, other traffic, pedestrian trains, and customers. This is the environment in the taxi driver tasking. Next, activators. This is the what is the streaming wheels, escalators, brake signals, horn. Brake signal, this is activators. What is the sensor? Camera, sonar, space dimmer, and GPS, odometer, engine sensor, keyboard. This is the sensor of the taxi driver performance calculation, environment, activators, sensors. Next one, taking this another example is Ascent part picking robot. Performance measure. What is the performance? The percentage of the parts in the correct bins. Environment, convenient belt with the part bin, activators, joint arms and sensor, camera, giant angel sensor. This is the piece. And next one. Types of the environment. This is the types of the environment. Here now we are discussing the types of the environment. Environment is the accessible versus inaccessible. So one side is accessible, Another side, inaccessible. Inaccessible environment is one which is an agent can be obtained complete, accurate, updated information about the environment state. So accessible information, what is the accessible environment is one which an agent can obtain complete, accurate, and up-to-date information, about the environment state. Data up-to-date information is the accessibility. Next, most moderatable complex environment. Most moderatable complex environment. For example, everyday physical world and the internet are inaccessible. That is the most moderated complex environment. For example, take the everyday physical world and the environment are inaccessible. The more accessible environment is a simpler, it is the bold agent to operate in it. Is a more accessible environment is the simpler it is to build agent to operate in it. That is the environment accessible versus inaccessible. Next one, environment deterministic versus non-deterministic is the deterministic versus is the non-deterministic. So to summarize, next one should be deterministic environment is one which is the next state of the environment is a completely determined by the current state. So a deterministic environment is one which is the next state of the environment completely determined by the current state and the action executed by the an agent. The physical world can to all intent and purpose to be regarded as a non-deterministic. A non-deterministic environment present greater problems for the agent designer. Non-deterministic environment present greater problems for the agent designer. The deterministic versus non-deterministic environment. And then next one discussing the environment, non-episodic and episodic. In an episodic environment, the performance of an agent is depending on a number, discrete episode and episode with no link between the performance and agent in different sensors. Episodic environment is a simple form of the energy development predictability because an agent can decide what action perform based on only current episode. If needed to reason about the interaction between this future episodes. This environment is the episodic, non-episodic environment. And next one is the environment static and dynamic. Environment is the static and dynamic. So here a static environment is unchanged, while an agent is reflecting. This is unchanged static. And a dynamic environment is one that has other presence operating on it, and which is hence changes way behind the agent control. A dynamic environment is that is as other process operating in it, and which is hence changes way behind its agent control. The other process can interfaces with an agent action as current states only. The physical world is highly dynamic environment. This is environment is the static versus a dynamic environment. A static is the environment is unchanged, while an agent is reflecting. A dynamic environment is the environment that has other process operating on it, which is hence it changes way behind the agent controls. The other process can interface with an agent action as current system. This is the developing in the agent, how to developing agent, artificial agents. These are different types of the agent. Is the total outline of the agent. This is the environment. Different types of the environment is environment deterministic, non-deterministic, episodic and non-episodic, environment discrete and discrete non-discrete, and this is the types of the rationality. Next one is the example state and environment. This is developing agents in the artificial intelligence system. Intelligence overline. Now, this is the totally discussing the developing AI agent artificial intelligence system. So totally this is the